Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Stand beside the Aventador with the key fob in hand and approach the driver door without leaning on the car. Press the unlock button on the key fob. You should hear an audible click and see the LED on the handle illuminate. Keep feet shoulder-width apart and hands free so you can support the door when it opens. Do not attempt to open with one hand on the roof. Vibration can damage the hinge. Confirm the latch released before proceeding to the next step. Open the door by first pressing the interior release button located near the armrest. Press fully until you feel the latch click free. Move to the exterior, place one hand on the lower inner edge and one hand on the upper trailing edge for balance support. Lift the scissor door upward in a smooth motion. Continue until it reaches about 75 degrees from closed. Keep the motion controlled and steady so the hinge and gas strut carry the door safely without abrupt force. When the door is open, confirm the gas strut supports the weight and the door sits stable without sagging. If it moves, do not leave it unattended. To close, grasp both edges and pull downward with steady pressure until you feel and hear the latch engage. Do not slam. After closing, press the key fob lock to confirm full engagement and check that the door seals evenly along the frame and the interior LED turns off. If resistance or noise occurs,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.